Hi, I'm Christoph, the product manager of Gravity Global. Today, we're going to talk about the new features in Gravity version 1.19. So let's get started. Let's talk about the most important new feature, Callout Activators. This feature is asked for a long time, now it's here. Callout Activators allow you to display a callout once certain conditions are met. For example, if a specific description or text is visible, or if a particular element is included in the section, the callout will be displayed. We have a site that includes two tabs, My Roles and Suggested Roles. And here on the title, we have a callout attached. With the new callout activator, you can configure a callout to appear when users press on Suggested Roles tab. Right-click on the callout and add a new activator to an element that is only visible when the Suggested Roles tab is pressed. The icon on the hotspot has changed, indicating that he has attached hotspot activators. As a user, your hotspot activator is already working. When the Suggested Roles tab is pressed, the callout in the title will be displayed. You can activate callout activators in the General tab of your admin site. This is available on a per site basis. But be aware, the callout activator feature is still in beta. Please read our description of that function before using it, since beta features are not covered in our SLA. In this version of Gravity, we are starting to upgrade the Lighthouse. One of the first new functionality, you can now place callouts directly in the information doc, formerly called Lighthouse. Information doc only callouts are handy for providing information that you want users to always have, but not when they're in the midst of performing some action or following a process. You can activate your callouts to be displayed in the information doc through a checkbox on step 2 of the editing process. Once a callout is marked to be displayed in the information doc, users can access it through two ways. The doc can be activated by clicking on a callout in the dashboard, or you can access this information using the information doc button, which has been added to the Gravity's control panel. We know that the new statistics needs more love from us. We will continue to improve as time goes on, so please bear with us. More information will be given on the Author's Day in May of this year. In the meantime, we give you the option of downloading the detailed Excel file for yourself. You know, the one we often send to you by email. Just go to the statistics site. There you find the new export link in the left navigation, as well the export button. The report includes all your callout data, including a breakdown by users and applications. All your data are available regardless of goals and tasks are configured for the callout. Besides all of these features, this release contains more improvements and bug fixes. If you are keen to see what is fixed and what is optimized, please check out the wiki notes. I hope you'll like these updates and features as much as we do. All SaaS customers will be updated automatically, and all on-premise customers will receive their links. We are looking forward to hearing your feedback, mainly also to our beta program. Hey, until the next version, it will be 1.20. Auf Wiedersehen miteinander.